Hi, I'm back again to share some more interesting finds and some deals for your art projects, etc. So, anyway, these are my colored pencils, and I use them, of course, when I'm not using paints or anything like that. But I wanted to share some books with you that I got at the local library and in the donation parts where, people donate. And it's really crazy because it's this bag right here. Okay, look how big that is, that bag. You could fill it up for $1. Of course, you don't really want to do that, do you? I mean, like, you could. But I got quite a few things. Seems like a lot of people are not really interested that much in stuff that's non-computer. So for me, it's great, okay? And this was used to be like my stepson had it for like there was sand stuff in it, so I converted it into some kind of sand work that you could make. I don't remember where you got it from, but I decided to convert it and use this into pencils and crayons or whatever I want to use in there. And so I thought that was pretty cool. It was free, but at the same time, I think it was a gift from somebody to him, and he stopped using it, and so I just took it up. So I want to tell you about. I got some really cool books. I didn't get them all in the same day, but I want to give you some ideas about how you can go. And they do have drawing books and art books, and amazingly so, you'd be surprised, but they do. Such as like this Osborne Art Ideas, and then this one, I Love to Draw and Paint. Now, I'm just showing you the little young, like kid kind of books for right now. I'm just going to show you that if you're going to start out doing artwork, it's great to use these type of books, okay? Because it's really down simple, and when you go buy other art books, it's more intricate, and there's a lot of writing and stuff. Let's just get started. That's the way I feel about it. Let's get started. Give yourself a little bit of inspiration and excitement that you can do something. Even if it's little, it's an accomplishment if you don't do much artwork. So this one here, I'm going to keep my finger here because I started something. Anyway, this is like a younger, it was used, okay? And a younger person's type book. You're allowed to just flip through this stuff. Watercolors and sponges and different things that you can use. And I don't care if this page is ripped. It doesn't bother me because I just won't use those pages. And most of the stuff that I got, it's good for me for what I want to do. All right. So that's that book. Now that's pretty much beginning. This one here, this Osborne one's a little bit more advanced. Okay, a little bit more advanced. It's got some fur, learning how to do some fur things, a little bit more details, right? And some color wheels on there, and then some kind of like whimsical kind of. So that goes off in that area. So what I did was I decided to show you, from a young person or just someone that doesn't know how to draw to start out with. So I decided to do a cat. And, right, so they show you the circles. Let's just start out slow with a circle. This one circle right there. Then you can go the head with the circle. And then you can do this one, but I didn't. I did the head with the circle, and then you put the ears, and then I did the cat laying down. So, cat laying down, and they show you a finished product of what the cat could look like. Now, that's not heavily detailed. And then there's the other cat right there. There's both of them. One's in a different direction. So, they give you an idea what it looks like after, and a step-by-step thing, which I really like. So, what I did was I started on a cat. I did exactly those steps that I just showed you. And then I got some fur going on with it. A little bit of fur. Now, this is just beginning stuff that I'm just showing you. I'm not going to show you some fantastic, exciting art stuff that, advanced, because we're not going to do the advanced stuff. We're going to just try and encourage people to do art. get started. Someone that doesn't know much of doing much. What I would do is I would encourage you to make your own type of thing a goal. Each day, do one piece of art if you have time. Hopefully you would have time. Let's just take from the first page and start this way so you have a project. Okay? If you want to, you can just sketch up these. Just do some of these. Triangle, rectangle. See how that looks. Then say, okay, I'm going to go on and I'm going to try this dog. So you got all your items which you want, your paper, your pencils. You can even start out with just a regular pencil. Okay. And just follow the steps. Okay, today I did a dog. Then you go on to the next page. Let's try a fish this day. And they show you the fish. That's what I love about it. They show you what it's going to look like after. Okay? That's what's great. Okay? A lot of art books, they don't tell you the before and after. If they do, it's not very detailed. So I wanted to share that with you. And before I'm going to go on to the books here real quick and show you what I got. And I'm not saying that I got this all in one haul because I didn't. Now, I love Thomas Kincaid. Okay? Believe it or not, this book was there. Believe it or not. I mean, it's like $12.99, but probably I'm thinking maybe a little less retail. This one happens to have Bible quotes in it. And he has other stuff that doesn't. But it has the pictures. You know, his artwork, you know, in there. All these poems and his artwork. Sit there and read. And it's kind of like a cushy. A lot of his books are like that. The Painter of Light. Selected Scriptures with Reflections by Thomas Kincaid. Pretty cool, okay? Then when you're a little bit more advanced drawing, Keys to Drawing. This is what I'm talking about for people that more advanced. And I'm trying to get a full picture of this, but it's not that easy because this camera. Anyway, more advanced drawing. All right. And you see all the writing on these books here, which is cool if you want to, if you want to get into more, some history and etc. Learning how to draw. That's for way more advanced. Now, this book here too. This is here. US $22.99. Amazing. Just amazing. Oh, this is one of my bookmarks that I made. I've already done the bookmark thing, but this was another washi tape with sparkle. I love it. Anyway, manga. They had that there too. A manga. How to draw manga. It's a warrior, but you don't need to do the warrior part. You can just do the manga. All right. And check this out. This anatomy coloring book. That is, look at that. I've never seen that. It's Pearson's, and I think it's Pearson's. I'm not sure. Was it Pearson's Learning? Yeah, Pearson here. But that's what they take, college stuff. Okay. The anatomy. Shows the insides of whatever. The heart, parts of the body. It goes into detail about the body too. You learn and you can color it. Pretty cool too, right? Now look at this. Can you believe this stuff? I'm not sure how much this is. I'm not sure, but I guarantee you it's at least $20. Now, I also got this puzzle. All pieces are there. They had this puzzle there. Now, I think the puzzles were $1. So you could find puzzles there, which I thought was cool. And I have another puzzle that I don't have right now with me, but I got another puzzle with 300 pieces, and it was completely brand new, not even open yet. So you got puzzles here. And, you can even learn off these puzzles artwork. So, amongst reading books and all that, I found this flower book. I mean, they have tons of reading books, but I thought this would be very inspirational for any level of artwork. I would say from beyond intermediate to advanced maybe, because unless you could find maybe a big flower in there, but this would be for more not beginners. But what I love about it is they have all these different flowers, right? Little details of, and I think maybe if you are a little beyond beginners, you can easily try to draw grapes and like look at that. Look at that. I mean, this is such a cool book. It'll show you how to do bouquets and everything. Tells you how to care for the flowers. It tells you what they are. I've never at the library. This is an excellent book. I'm telling you, they even have like in the back of the book, carnations, what they are. I mean, this is extraordinary book. It really is. It's extraordinary to find this. I mean, like look at how beautiful that is. I love that kind of vintagey, romantic. Okay? Fresh flowers. It says here, a complete guide to selecting and arranging. I guess it's Malcolm Hillier. He's done dried flowers, but it's not really just about that. It's more than that. There's a back cover right there. It has how to arrange flowers, but not only that, it has what kind of flowers they are, what they do, how to care for them. It's a really gorgeous book, and you can totally learn from it. So anyway, that's what I got at the library. Believe it or not, is that amazing? It's amazing. So and yard sales, just find stuff, and you don't need fantastic items to do a lot of the stuff. And like I said, you can, if you get books starting from beginners, you can advance. And there's a lot of reading and stuff in some of these, and then there's point perspective books that I encourage for sure if you want to do landscaping. And I haven't come across any of that yet. But this is what I have, and I'm just excited to show it to you. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe and like my videos. I'm trying to make them entertaining, I'm hoping. Thank you.